Build your system the way you want with the Milwaukee PACKOUT two-wheel cart, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Milwaukee PACKOUT revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on and off the job site. PACKOUT is the first system providing true modularity, allowing you to store and transport boxes, organizers, tool bags, and more in any configuration that works for you. The PACKOUT two-wheel cart, with integrated PACKOUT mounting on the base and frame, allows you to stack or hang PACKOUT storage and tools. The PACKOUT two-wheel cart's compact design allows this cart to easily roll through doorways and fold for easy storage. With a 400-pound weight capacity and 10-inch flat free wheels, the two-wheel cart easily transfers on and off the job site. The impact-resistant polymer construction makes this cart the most durable. The Milwaukee PACKOUT two-wheel cart, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.